As our country enters the third phase of lockdown in the fight against this deadly coronavirus, all districts will be classified into red, orange, and green zones. This zone classification will be revised every week. So, what are the activities that will be prohibited across the country, irrespective of the zone you are in? Let's find them out. These activities include travel by rail, air, metro, and interstate movement of vehicles, closure of schools, colleges, and other educational institutions. So, kids, are you all having fun? Hospitality services like hotels and restaurants, places of public gathering like cinema halls, malls, and gyms, any sort of social, political, cultural, and religious gatherings. Please do let us know in the comment section on your plans after the lockdown is lifted. Red Zone. The regions in this zone contribute to a doubling rate of less than 4 days. If your region falls in this zone, the activities permitted for you are movement of two-wheelers with a single driver and no pillion rider, movement of four-wheelers with a single driver and two passengers. E-commerce activities are allowed only for essential goods. Manufacturing of drugs, pharmaceuticals, and medical devices. Agriculture and animal husbandry inclusive of supply chain. Homes for children and senior citizens. Private offices can operate with 33% strength. Banks and insurance activities. So, what about the activities not permitted in this zone? These activities include movement of cycle rickshaws, auto rickshaws, and taxis, inter-district and intra-district movement of buses. So places in your checklist gotta wait for some time. No barbershops, saloons, and spas. Orange zone. Your region will be moved from red zone to orange zone if no new case has been reported in the past 21 days. The activities permitted in this zone, in addition to the activities permitted in red zone, are movement of taxis with a single driver and two passengers, inter-district movement of vehicles for specific reasons only. So what about the activities that are not permitted here? So here, inter-district and intra-district movement of buses are not allowed. So places in your checklist do gotta wait for some more time. Green zone. Your region will be marked as green zone if no new case has been reported till date or no new confirmed case in the last 21 days. The activities permitted in this zone, in addition to the activities permitted in the other zone, include the operation of buses with 50% capacity and bus depots with 50% capacity. The activities not permitted in this zone are the activities which are not permitted across the country. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get notifications on further videos.